Hello students, welcome to our class and start our learning with Let's Learn. And our today's topics, electric circuit, components of an electric circuit and their uses, and conductor and insulator. So let's move on to today's topics. So first topic is electric current. First topic is electric current. Student, this is a diagram of electric current. But what is this diagram? So if we connect the conducting wire, to this cell, two ends of the cell, this circuit diagram is depicted on the board. This is a cell. The symbol of cell is like this. If we connect the conducting wire to the two ends of this cell, here two terminal of the cell, plus terminal and minus terminal, minus terminal. So if we connect the conducting wire to the two ends of the cell, the current will flow through this conducting wire. Okay, so just I repeat it. What is a electric circuit? So electric circuit is a continuous path of the electric current, through the conducting wire connected to the two ends of the cell. These are the two ends, plus and minus terminal, two ends of the cell, and other resistance. Here resistance is denoted by R, and other resistance is called the electric circuit, It's clear? Again I repeat the definition. A continuous path of an electric current through a conducting wire connected to the two ends of the cell, and other resistance is called the electric current, is called the electric circuit. The path where current flow, okay, through the conducting wire, current flow through this conducting wire that is connected to the cell, and other resistance is called the electric circuit, It's clear? Then some components here in this electric circuit. First one is a cell. This is the symbol of cell is like this. Okay. Then ammeter is used to measure the flow of electric current, flow in this circuit. Ammeter is used to measure the electric current flow in this circuit. Okay. Then voltmeter that is connected parallel to this resistance, and voltmeter is used to measure the potential difference between the two ends of the conductor. Okay student. Then if we connect this one is a resistance means that resist the flow of electric current, that control the flow of electric current. If we increase the resistance, then the flow of current will control. Okay, to adjust the resistance. Understand? We can adjust this resistance in this electric circuit. Understand? Resistance means the component that resists the flow of electric current in this circuit. Okay. Then this key. If we plug on, that means the circuit will complete. If we plug on, that means the circuit will complete and current will flow in this circuit. But if we plug off, then the gap between this conducting wire and the current will not flow in this circuit. It's clear student? So let's move on. Next slide. Yes, student, observe this picture. Why are the bulbs in the figure B, C and D are not lighting up? What is the reason behind this? So yes, in this, just observe in this picture B, C and D, the electric circuit is not completed. Here gap between the two ends of the conducting wire. Understand? That means the circuit is not complete. That's why the electric current will not flow throughout this conductor. So that's why this the bulb B, C and D are not lighting up. Understand? The next, just here, this table. Here some symbols, pictures and uses of the components that are used in the electric circuit. But in this year, because of the COVID epidemic, some portion of our syllabus has been cut off. So that's why we will study in this year, that means the 2020-21, the components and their uses only. Components and their uses. Understand? So first component is electric cell. Electric cell. So symbol of electric cell is like this. We use this symbol of electric cell in this figure. Okay. One first plus terminal and minus terminal. This symbol having a plus terminal and minus terminal. Then what is the use? The use is to apply the potential difference. To apply the potential difference between the two ends of the conductor. The use of electric cell is to apply the potential difference to between the two ends of the conducting wire to the conductor. Okay. Then what is a battery? So if we join the multiple cell here, one cell, then second cell, then third cell, then this is called the battery. That means battery having a number of cells. Battery having a number of cells. So what is the use? To apply a larger potential, because here number of cells. So to apply the larger potential between the conducting wire. So this is a use of battery. The next one is the open tap key or plug key. If we open tap key means to stop the flow of current, and close tap key means to start the flow of current. Because if we close this key, that means this wire circuit diagram will complete and electric current will flow throughout this circuit. Okay, so open tap key, then close tap key. Open tap key to stop the flow of current because gap here, and the close tap key, that means to start the flow of current. The next one is connecting wires. Connecting wires to connect the various component in the circuit diagram. We use generally the connecting wires for a circuit. Okay, then crossing wires, like this, crossing wires to show the wire which cross but are not connected. These are the symbols. Just remember, these are the symbols for crossing wire. Then next, yes, light bulb. So symbol for light bulb is like this, off bulb. This is off bulb, and if we draw the lines like this bulb is light up. Understand? Light up and light off. So to test the flow of electricity, then resistance, yes, the symbol is R. To control the flow of current, to control the flow of current, we can adjust the resistance, we can vary or decrease or increase the resistance in any circuit diagram as per requirement. Then variable resistance is used to change the resistance. So symbol of the variable resistance is this. This resistance just control the flow of electric circuit. Okay, but using the variable resistance we can change, we can increase or we can decrease the resistance, okay, in the circuit diagram. Then ammeter, we can draw the arrow like this in place of A. We can draw the arrow in place of A, or we can write the symbol A for ammeter. So to measure the current flowing in the circuit. Then voltmeter to measure the potential difference between the 2 points in the circuit. It's clear, student? So just remember the components, name of the components and their uses in this for this year. Okay. Then next, conductor and insulator. So what are conductors and what are insulators, student? Conductor means those substance which have very low resistance. That means resistance is low. In a conductor, resistance is low. Conductor resistance low. That means resistance are low. That means the conductor allow the flow of current through the conducting wire. Conductor allow the flow of current. That means the current can flow easily through the such materials that are conductor. Conductor means those substance or those materials which have very low resistance are called the conductor. Let's see some examples. For example, metals, aqueous solution of salt, then graphite and human body, etc. Then insulator means high resistance, that having a high resistance. That means to that resist the flow of current, that control the flow of current throughout the circuit. So insulator, let's see the definition. Insulator means those substances which have a extremely high resistance are called the insulator, and current cannot flow through such materials, cannot flow. Understand? Then examples like plastics, rubber, glass, dryer, paper, etc. Understand, student? So this was today's lecture. Rest we will see in the next lecture. Till the time, goodbye. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, student.